So absolutely no surprises. Lionel Messi was named FIFA Player of the Year for 2022, predominantly for guiding Argentina to the World Cup title in Qatar. And no one in their right mind could ever question Messi winning this award this year, as the little maestro finally did what many of us felt he should have done long ago, and more than once dominate the biggest stage and lift the biggest prize in football. Argentina coach Lionel Scaloni and goalkeeper Emiliano Martinez were named FIFA coach and goalkeeper of the year, respectively. Again, we suspect these awards were all heavily influenced by Argentina's triumph in Qatar. And speaking of Qatar, where is the award for the country of Qatar for staging the best ever World Cup tournament? Oh yes, after the much maligned and criticized decision to award the World Cup to Qatar and all the grumblings and the griping before the tournament, only to see the tiny Gulf state stage the best World Cup ever. Uno give Qatar them award. Yes. And so, the World Cup tournament of the century goes to Qatar! My